is a system developer, mechanical at the fab shop of Corsania Gas Plant Project. Everybody knows him. He's been a kind man, always smiling. He's very jolly. And of course, work is work. Let us welcome the energetic Mr. Nelson Cañete. Thank you, Mr. Nelson. Our second judge. You've known him a while ago. He's our guest speaker. He's a professional mechanical engineer by profession. Of course, being a mechanical engineer, his expertise in services. He contributed in the plant mechanical vehicles department as a supervisor. Gentlemen, once more, let us welcome Mr. Ray Usabit. Thank you, Mr. Ray. Next in line, he's from Bechtel Technip Joint Venture, the contractor for the Corsania Gas Plant Project. By profession, he's a senior quality control engineer, and he's been a prominent member of the BTJV QA/QC department. Truly, we can see his love and passion for music. For those who know him, you may be amazed by the collection of speakers that he has. From Cobar, from Jubel, that's how inclined he is to music. Without further ado, gentlemen, let us welcome one of our panel of judges, Engineer Evencio Abayata, BTJV. Thank you, sir. Of course, we have also another high caliber personnel from the Bechtel Technip Joint Venture. For every project, for every company, this department is very important as it entails the aspect of human relations and personality. Human relations as what the Filipino community is here for. We are having great relations. We've been here for this event. And it's our privilege to have him as one of our panel of judges for tonight's affair and competition. Without further ado, gentlemen, let us welcome from the Bechtel Technip Joint Venture, our HR supervisor in the person of Mr. Alberto Rodrigo. Let's give him a warm round of applause. Sir, the panel of judges, he's the Senior Information System 1 IT Department, Bechtel Technip Joint Venture. Of course, when it comes to information technology, he is expert. His name is always there. When we talk about information technology from the Technip side or the Bechtel side, or in general the BTJV, Cobar office, Jubel office, and Corsania office, his name is still there. Gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause to our chairman of the board, chairman of the panel of judges, Mr. Ricardo L. Flores. Let's give him a warm round of applause. Thank you. How do you feel, Mr. Rolly?
Excited. So excited, so many audience.
Engineer Rolando M. Katakutan, BTJV.
Mawalay sa akin ang napinagdaan.
Mr. Emilio Diwa, Quality Control Inspector from CCC.
Good evening, everyone.
Are you ready?
I'm fine.
How do you feel right now?
Thank you. Love played this games with me so long. Did you believe I'd never find anyone? Though they tried to convince me, took away, said you